everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your notifications not working. Maybe it's like a game invite or a message. What we want to do is go up to the top and go to settings and then go down to network. Now this is probably not working because your internet connection is offline, so we can just go to test internet connection and just make sure that we have an IP address and we're connected to the internet. Also go to where it says view status of PlayStation Network and make sure PlayStation Network isn't down as well. So if it is down, that's probably why it's not working. Now another thing that we could do is back out and we can go to the privacy settings. So let's go to account management and then go to privacy settings right here and select this. And we just want to ensure that we have the option enabled that we actually receive pop-up notifications. So let's go on down to where it says personal info messaging, and we can go to messages. Choose who can initiate party invites, messages, etc. And just make sure this is set to anyone or friends only so you can actually receive messages. Now another thing we want to do is sign out of our account and sign back in. So if we go to account management, go to sign out and then sign in with your email address and password. Sometimes there's an account sync issue where just being signed out and signed back in will fix that, I've noticed. Also, what we could do is just turn off our PlayStation 4, go to power and turn it off. Unplug it from the wall for at least 1 minute and then plug it back in and see if that fixes the issue as well. Now, also check your notifications. So if your notifications are coming, you could have maybe like an update or something in here for a game or maybe even the PlayStation software. Just make sure you select that and just check that you don't have any updates, because that will kind of keep you offline if you do. So go to where it says system software update and just update your PlayStation if you do have an update under here. Then also you could go to the safe mode and try just rebuilding your database. Go to power and then go to turn off your PS4 and plug your controller in with a cable. So here's my PlayStation. Now you need to make sure this is actually turned off. So wait until this light stops blinking on your PlayStation. So you can see my controller is plugged in with this cable. And I need this to operate the safe mode menu. So this light should stop blinking momentarily. And then I can hold down the power button. You're going to hear one beep initially and then you're going to hear another beep. And on the second beep you can let go. And it should launch you into the safe mode menu now. So let's go up to the top now. So here's my PlayStation safe mode. Let's hold down the PlayStation button, go down to option number 5, go to OK. It says it will take a few hours. My experience only takes like, I don't know, like 15 seconds. So if you have any kind of hard drive issues, this should go ahead and fix it. And you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.